How to see all of your VIP servers on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'll demonstrate the steps to locate and access all of your VIP servers in Roblox. It is a straightforward and efficient procedure, so ensure that you follow along. The initial step to view all of your VIP servers on Roblox is to launch your preferred web browser and visit the Roblox website, or just simply open the Roblox player. Once you reach the website or once you open the player, simply update the Roblox desktop app to ensure smooth functionality and ensure that you're using the most up-to-date version of the app. After successful updating the app, navigate to the home screen of the desktop app and locate the game where you wish to acquire a VIP server. You can utilize either the Discovery tab or the search function located at the top of the screen to find the desired game or experience. Upon identifying the game, click on the game details and scroll down until you reach the Service tab. By clicking on the Service tab, you will be directed to a page where you can choose to create a private server located at the top right corner of the screen. Some private servers are complimentary, while others may require a monthly subscription fee. For instance, Bloxfruit permits me to create a free private server. Another experience also offers the option to create a free private server where you can assign any desired name. Once you have selected your preferences, click on Buy Now option and proceed to customize your server according to your preference. I trust that this guide has assisted you in discovering how to access all of your VIP servers on Roblox. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more convenient and useful tips. Thank you for tuning in.